10 ways to succeed in everything that you're doing. Here it goes. Set clear goals. Define what success means to you. Set specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time bound goals to give yourself direction. Once you have given yourself these smart goals to achieve, there is nothing that can stop you from getting what you want to in life. Develop a growth mindset. Embrace challenges, learn from criticism, and persist in the face of setbacks. A growth mindset helps you improve continuously. When you are only wanting to look at the upside, it will always remain in your mind. Prioritize time management. Organize your time effectively. Use tools like calendars, to do lists, as I always say, or time blocking to ensure you focus on what truly matters. Once you have learned prioritizing, automatically things will fall in place for you. Prioritizing is a key factor and helps you work wonders in your successful career. Stay disciplined and consistent. Success often comes from consistent effort over time. I'm sure all of us know about this. Develop routines and habits that align with your goals. Once you have consistency in doing what you want to do without skipping a beat, you will never fail. Invest in continuous learning. Keep expanding your knowledge and skills. Read books, take courses, seek mentorship, and stay curious about your ideas. Learning is something that should never stop, and you can never know enough in order to grow in your life. In order to be successful, you should have that thirst. Build a strong network. Surround yourself with supportive, inspiring, and knowledgeable people. Networking can open doors to new opportunities and provide valuable guidance. It is very important to have a strong network for you to move forward with, build ahead, and make a big empire for your own self. Having good contacts and being able to strike the right chord with the right people is a big plus that helps businesses grow from somewhere to somewhere. So this is a very important aspect that one should learn, to network with people and learn. Maintain a healthy work-life balance. Success is not just about work. It's also about maintaining your health and relationships. Balance helps sustain long-term success. It's very important for you to also manage your personal life, because that in the background keeps pushing you towards your goal and achieve success in your professional life in a great manner. Take calculated risks. Be willing to step out of your comfort zone and take risks that could lead to significant rewards. Evaluate risks carefully before acting. I'm not saying that we should risk a lot more than our appetite and our capacity is, but taking calculated risks in any business is a very important factor. Stay resilient. Failure and setbacks are inevitable. Cultivate resilience to bounce back. Learn from your mistakes and keep moving forward. If we are not taking feedback seriously, or if we are not open to feedback, we can never succeed. Give back. Success is more meaningful when you use it to help others. Contribute to your community, mentors, others, or find ways to make a positive impact so that you get immense pleasure out of what you have gained and happiness.